Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Yarn Package Manager on Rocky Linux 9.2. Yarn, short for Yet Another Resource Navigator, is a fast, stable and reliable JavaScript package manager that is compatible with NPM Node Package Manager. Yarn helps with the management of NPM packages, which includes installation, updating, configuration and removal of packages. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.2. Next, I am going to install Node.js. For that, we need to add node source repository by using the following command. It will take 1 minute to complete. Node source repository has been added successfully. Next, I am going to install Node.js by using the following command. Press Y and hit enter to continue. Again press Y and hit enter to continue. Node.js has been installed successfully. Next, I am going to check the node version by using the following command. Our node version is 16.20.2. Next, I am going to check the npm version by using the following command. Our npm version is 8.19.4. Next, I am going to install Yarn Package Manager. For that, we need to add Yarn repository by using the following command. Yarn repository has been added successfully. Next, I am going to import gpg key by using the following command. Next, I am going to install Yarn by using the following command. Press Y and hit enter to continue. Yarn has been installed successfully. Now I am going to check the Yarn version by using the following command. Our Yarn version is 1.22.19. By this way, you can install Yarn Package Manager on Rocky Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.